Is your Rogers Mastercard constantly being declined? It's a common frustration, especially with prepaid cards. The most frequent reasons are insufficient funds, exceeding daily or monthly limits, or triggering fraud alerts. Rogers uses Mastercard's decline codes, like Code 05 for general restrictions, Code 51 when you've hit your limit, Code 54 for validity issues, Code 82 for security mismatches, and Code 91 during system outages. Prepaid cards have fixed balances, while credit cards have spending caps to prevent fraud. Rogers also blocks transactions on certain high-risk websites. Check your balance and limits in the Rogers app. Ensure your billing address and contact details are up to date, as incorrect information can lead to declines. If your Rogers Mastercard is declining, start by double-checking your card balance and daily or monthly limits using the Rogers app or by calling 1-888-ROGERS-1. If you're sure you have funds, contact Rogers Support for immediate assistance through their 24/7 helpline. Try alternative payment methods like debit, PayPal, or another credit card if the Rogers Mastercard isn't working. Reload your Rogers card via Interac or bank transfer to add more funds quickly. For security, enable two-factor authentication in the Rogers app to protect your account. If you're traveling, ensure your card is authorized for international use to avoid declines abroad. Rogers has introduced a decline alert feature in their app to provide real-time explanations for declines. Staying informed about potential issues will help you avoid future declines.